The launch of the iShares Bitcoin ETF, ibit in Canada, is a significant development, bringing a lower-cost option to the competitive Canadian crypto ETF market. The iShares ETF has an annual management fee of 0.32%, making it one of the most competitively priced Bitcoin funds in Canada. This low fee is expected to attract investors and could intensify competition among existing crypto ETFs. The new ETF is linked to the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF in the US, which has over USD 51 billion in net assets. The arrival of the iShares ETF has already prompted Fidelity Canada to reduce the management fee on its Bitcoin ETF to 0.32%, matching BlackRock's offering. This move suggests the beginning of a potential fee war among crypto ETFs in Canada. The iShares fund is available to Canadian investors in both CAD, ibit, and USD-denominated ibit.U versions. The USD option provides exposure to US dollar price movements. However, investors must consider the impact of currency fluctuations when choosing between unhedged and USD-denominated options. According to Brian Armour, Morningstar's Director of Passive Strategies Research for North America, the iShares ETF appears to have the lowest management fee of all Canadian Bitcoin ETFs, and that investors may prefer iShares and their partnership with RBC over other issuers. Armour also notes that the iShares fund builds on its strong presence in the U.S. crypto ETF market. The iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF in the U.S. has been very successful, becoming the most successful ETF launch in U.S. history in terms of net assets and flows. Digital asset ETFs took in USD 58 billion after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approved a slate of Bitcoin ETFs in January 2024. Of that total, 65% went to the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. The iShares fund held 40% of the USD 130 billion in assets as of the end of 2024. The previous market leader, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF GBTC, suffered USD 22 billion in net outflows in 2024. Fidelity Canada's spokesperson Chris Pepper attributed their fee reduction to strong 2024 inflows of 283 million and the fund surpassing 1 billion in assets. Other Canadian Bitcoin ETFs typically charge management fees and MERs ranging from 0.75% to 2.50%, making the iShares ETF a more cost-efficient alternative.